Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Highland Lake local and long-distance movers near me. Choosing to hire a cheap Highland Lake moving company isn't always easy. 3 Movers offers the right option for your local or long-distance move. We provide you with the best moving services to get you to where you need to go quickly. Our team is ready to help you move your home, business, apartment, dorm room, or even just equipment. Our team of long-distance movers will provide you with the following options. Packing services. Save a ton of time by letting us do the packing and unpacking. Moving supplies. Pack up on your own and use the supplies we offer to protect everything. An on-time move. Our movers show up at the time agreed upon on moving day to ensure you're not delayed. Upfront pricing. We offer an accurate estimate before you hire us to make budgeting easier. Licensed and insured. Your belongings are fully protected when you let us handle your move. If you're ready to relocate, we can help. It doesn't matter if you're going one state over or several states away. Our team is ready to make it easier for you. Let us take some of the stress off your plate by providing long-distance moving services. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Highland Lake moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, local moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request